Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Holub here. Wasn't yesterday fun? So, was your prediction correct? Were you able to tell how far the toilet paper roll would roll? I can't wait to see. Today, we are going to create something called a slope. Have you ever heard that word before? Like a ski slope? Well, it's kind of like an incline. It's when you make kind of like a ramp. So it's at a diagonal. A diagonal is like an X, a half of an X, right? And so it has a high and it has a low. So we're actually going to use a paper towel roll to make an incline. And we're going to make that just like you did yesterday, a prediction, right? It's what you think will happen about how far the different objects will go. Take a look at this video.
Hey there, friend. Today we're going to learn about ramps. A ramp is a tool that helps something go from high to low or low to high. We use ramps every day. Here's a picture of a ramp that a car would use in a parking garage. This ramp helps the car go from the top down to the ground. Let's watch a video about ramps.
Hey, Elmo, you know how we can play with this paper towel tube? How? Well, I have a little toy car at home. I bet would fit right in there. Oh, yeah. We can lift one end up and the car will zip through. Yeah.
In other words, you can use the tube like a ramp.
What's a ramp?
A ramp is a tool that helps something go from high to low or from low to high.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you could try this too. Yeah. What happens when you lift one end higher? Does the car go further?
Just don't lift it too high or the car might get stuck.
Yeah. Well, try to make your own cardboard tube ramp and see what happens.
It looked like Abby and Elmo had fun experimenting with ramps. Now it's your turn. Touch or click the ramp.
Now it's your turn.
Go the farthest.
So see the examples that they have? So at your house, if you have some books or if you have anything that can be stacked, right, you can make your own ramp. The paper towel holder was just a suggestion, okay? And so then you are going to pick either a car or if you have a marble, right, something that has a curved surface, right? And you're going to determine which one travels farther or the most distance, right? So after you rolled one, then I want you to add another book and see if making it higher impacts how far it travels, okay? And I want to see it. So upload a video of your experiment. And I want you to think, get that thinking cap on. I want you to think, does your object's weight have an impact? Meaning, does it matter how heavy or light it is? Think about that when you're picking your two objects to test. And why are we doing this again? So we will be able to investigate or discover the different position of your object that you did that. All right, I can't wait to see your videos. Don't forget to click turn in so your teacher can see it too. Have a great day of learning. Bye, boys and girls.